Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make ambient music in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can access all the instruments you have. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with making ambient music. There are two ways we can do this, guys. The first way is to go ahead and find something pre-made right here in the upper left section. Click on the live loops and we can find something pre-made that we can then edit based on our liking. So you can open up the sound library option right here. This is going to enable us to find all the packs that we can access and buy. So you can see here is a lot of options that can help us get that ambient sound. You have your 8-bit legends, vox, melodics, beat tape, and so on, modular rhythms, a lot of packs that can help you get your desired song. But guys, if you do not want to use anybody else's work and you want to create it from scratch, then what you can do is go back to tracks right here and now get started recording. So guys, you'll be able to play your virtual instruments one by one to get your desired ambient music. So you'll need the keyboard, guys. Obviously this is going to be your main instrument, so you're going to click on the keyboard option right here. That's going to enable you to get started with recording. This is going to open up the recording menu where at the top of the screen you have the big red circle to start recording, and now you can get started playing by tapping your keyboard. And once you're finished with your recordings, you can go into the upper left corner right here and click this button in the middle. That's going to open up this edit mode and mixing mode where we can find all the tracks we have. As you can see, the drums right here, the keyboard, audio recording, and so on. So basically guys, that is it. You want to go ahead and record your instruments, put them right here, add your effects and so on to get your desired song. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.